Welcome to Straight Talkin' Money TV. Hi, Dan Cricks here, the been there, done that repair shop marketing guru. Do you know what the number one reason consumers report for not returning to a business that they were happy with? The answer may surprise you. I'll give you the answer in a few seconds. In this episode, I want to talk about the most profitable customer for you to do business with, and that would be your current customers and clients. I know you're probably sitting there saying, Dan, you're right, but this is no bombshell. Here's the question. What are you doing to make sure those customers keep coming back to your shop? For years, we relied on doing a good job of fixing cars and offering great service. Unfortunately, that's not enough anymore. It's our job as the business owner to make sure they keep coming back to us. There's a lot of competition out there for our clients, coming from franchise chains to big box stores and so on. We have to do what we can to make sure as few as possible get enticed away from us. We must, as shop owners, stay in regular contact with our clients and keep them interested in our shop. The best way to do that is to send them a newsletter every month. This allows you to keep them informed and interested in your shop. My coaching members tell me this is the foundation of their business. No, I'm not saying you should be writing a newsletter every month. In fact, I'm telling you you shouldn't do that. There are a lot of places to get a done-for-you newsletter for very little money every month. That's what you should be doing. We have a company that offers a done-for-you newsletter specifically for repair shops. If you'd like more information about that program, contact Nicole at greatresultsmarketing.com. The point is, you should be sending them something at the minimum 2 to 3 times a week to keep a front-of-mind presence with your clients and to make sure they keep coming back to you. The number one reason consumers report for not returning to a business they were happy with is they forgot about them. It's your job to make sure your clients don't forget about you. It's not their job to think about your shop any and every time they need service. If you're not staying in front of them each week and every week, you risk losing your customer to a competitor. This is Dan Cricks saying, see you on the next episode of Straight Talkin' Money TV.